So yeah. No, we can transfer there, or maybe at the break, since you're after the break, right? So at the break, we can transfer it there. I think it makes it easier because we're recording the talks and everything too, so it's probably easier to have it all in this one. Yeah, okay, but at the break, it's great. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, he's up for the break. So. All right, baby. Power on. And mute. So this should be on now. Yeah, it is. And then we okay, can you hear me? I think, maybe I should put this a bit higher. Like that. Okay, good morning. Welcome to the Sagan Summer Workshop. My name is Elise Furlan, and I was one of the organizers of the LOC here, but it was a huge effort by several people. And let's get started here. The Sagan program is part of NASA's Exoplanet Exploration Program. It's one of the 3 themed programs at NASA. and includes physics of the cosmos and cosmic origins. The primary goal of within XAP is the discovery and the characterization of planetary systems and Earth-like planets around nearby stars. The Sagan Summer Workshop continues the tradition of the past 18 Michelson-Sagan Summer Workshops. Originally they were called Michelson, and now they're the Sagan Summer Workshops. This year we have about 165 participants from about 18 countries. So it's one of the largest workshops that we have had. So here we have the organizing committees, the SOC, LOC, and if you're part of the SOC, maybe you can raise your hands. We have Ian here, he's the chair, and I think, yeah, there, Jesse, David up there, Chaz, Don Gelino, that's from here. And LOCs, myself, and several other people here from IPAC. And we really thank everybody for helping putting this together and making it a reality. The PDFs of all the presentations, including the POPs, will be posted on the website and updated during the week. So you can find them there during the week and afterwards. The videos of the presentations will be posted on the website as well and on the next YouTube channel by the end of the month. The sessions right now will be recorded and also live streamed, so people at home can watch us here. And please sign your speaker AV waiver at the registration desk if you haven't done so already. So we just need that. For the wireless network in here, and we have 2 other locations where the hands-on sessions will be held. Same wireless network. The name is Sagan Workshop, as you can see here. And oops, sorry, back here. Sagan password, username Sagan password exoplanet exclamation mark. And yeah, well, this is just a notice here. We record these sessions here. So the hands-on sessions have been a lot of work over many months, effort by a lot of people, not just one person doing it. And here we list the people here. So we have Juliet, Andrew, Wendy Bird here at IPAC, Megan, Jason Eastman, myself, Tim Morton, Joey Rodriguez, Andrew Vanderbroek, and Dennis Whitman. So a lot of people. We really, really thank everyone because echo. Yeah, it's really, really appreciated. The presentations are held here, Beckman Institute Auditorium. The hands-on session, this is introductory one this afternoon, the discussion session mostly. It will be here. And then on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday afternoon, the 2 buildings, and I'll explain it a bit later. This was an introduction this afternoon, so don't worry, you're not going to get lost. The posters will be displayed outside all week, and we have dedicated poster sessions, basically where you should maybe stand in front of your poster so people can ask you questions. On Tuesday, the yellow IDs, and on Wednesday, the blue ones. So the 2 colors here. The posters are arranged alphabetically by the author's last name, and please remove your poster by the end of by lunch here on Friday. Otherwise, it will be thrown out. So if you don't care about your poster, fine, you can leave it. But otherwise, please take it down by Friday lunchtime. And the locations here, they're shown in the map in your folder and also the app, which I guess I get to here. The POPs that some of you submitted for your poster, the schedule is posted on the website and on the app. All speakers in the group, you will line up in front of the room, I guess, on this side here, and then each speaker has 2 minutes precisely. We cut off if it's over to present your work. So please be brief and introduce yourself. There's a guidebook app here. You need a passphrase to get it, and it has the schedule, maps, speakers, so you can see who is a certain speaker if you don't know what they look like. On Twitter, we have this hashtag here if you want to tweet, and we also have a Slack channel. Might be useful for the hands-on sessions. So the hands-on sessions. There's 2 software packages. One is XFS V2. It was developed by Jason Eastman, and one is Vesta, developed by Tim Morton. Both sessions will be run on the cloud, the Amazon Web Services, and the only thing that you will need to access those sessions and to do them is an Xterm. And there's also information on the website, what you need to do, like the Mac has it automatically, Windows you need to install something, but it's pretty easy. For the Vespa sessions, you should have an Ethernet port, but it's not really required. We just suggest to do that just because it's faster, and we don't want everybody in the room to use the wireless because it might be just a heavy load. So ideally, please have an Ethernet port, otherwise don't worry about it. The login information for this Amazon Web Services was provided when you registered. If you decide to participate in the hands-on sessions. The two buildings where the sessions will take place, XFS B2 and Baxter Lecture Hall. Again, it's in the map in your folder or on the app, and we'll show you, we'll walk over with you tomorrow. And Vespa is in the Key Spalding building. It's all nearby on campus, it's just maybe a 5–10 minute walk. The group project signups will start this afternoon. Explain a bit more what that involves, but you basically pick whichever software you want to work with today. And again, more information, logistics will be presented this afternoon. I'll have a presentation on that. And obviously you can talk to me as well. So coffee will be available for the morning breaks only. And yeah, we might seem a bit stingy, but we're bound by NASA rules. Box lunches will be delivered for those who have pre-ordered them. And I think they will be available in the building in front, but we'll show you just to keep them cool. It's going to be 100 degrees, and well, we have to stay in the shade. And the pre-ordered selections on the back of your badge, if you don't remember what lunch did I order, it's right there. Wednesday evening, we will gather at the El Cholo restaurant for the workshop dinner. If you would still like to attend, you can sign up still today, pay the $36 at the registration desk by today, 5 p.m. So if you change your mind, you can still sign up today.
I just want to, if you have one person who can't go, so if you want to arrange a trade, let me know. If you can just give her the money that way. So let me know.
So let Alan know if you want to trade with someone who can come.
And there's also a link to pay with a credit card on the workshop.
Oh, they can still do that?
They can still do that.
Okay, you can also pay by credit card. This auditorium here, where all the talks will be held, is not locked, so please leave your items at your own risk. Caltech is pretty safe, but still, you don't want to leave your wallet here and then find it's gone. So just bring the valuables with you. Yeah, go ahead.
There will be people hanging around the lunch, so you can leave your computer at lunch.
Okay. So Alan's at a lunch, yeah, people will be around here, so computers can be left here. They're kind of heavy, but otherwise, maybe. Even the breaks, I guess, people are going to be with you. So for those of you who got some partial travel support from us, travel reports, or false travel support, the travel reports should be submitted after you return home. And the report must include a completed reimbursement form, and that's all included in the guidelines that we sent to you. I think it's also posted on the website, actually. And as a reminder, no food or drink except water in here. Keep everything nice and clean. In Baxter, where XFS will be held, it's also no food and drink at all in there. And in this room, well, everywhere actually, please silence your cell phones and laptops so we don't hear some rings while people have a talk, give a talk. One thing we had on the website, and I hope you all had a quick look at this, it's the code of conduct. We want everybody to be able to enjoy the meeting and have a productive meeting. So please behave professionally. We don't want any harassment of any kind. All communication should be appropriate for a professional audience. We're all adults, we're not youngsters at a party. Be kind to others. It's okay to critique ideas, but don't critique people or put them down, especially some younger ones who might be on the first conference. And if you want to share photos of any attendee or their work, on social media, try to get the permission, well, get your permission first, please, just to make sure they're okay with it. And if you witness any inappropriate behavior, you can talk to me, Dawn, or Ellen, and please let us know, because we really want you to have a good meeting and not come back with bad feelings. Yeah, here's one slide on the NASA Hubble Fellowship Program. Starting with the class of 2018, the Hubble, Einstein, and Sagan Fellowship programs are now merged in this NASA Hubble Fellowship program. It's one big program at Space Telescope, basically, mostly. The merged program spans its entire breadth of the NASA astrophysics program. The application deadline is November 1st of this year, with the application to open up in early September, so you can start submitting then. And these postdoctoral fellows, they will still be known as the Einstein, Hubble, or Sagan fellows, depending on the areas, if it's physics of the cosmos, cosmos origins, or exoplanets. And the class of 2018 has 24 fellows, including 5 Sagan. So I think that's it. Let's get started. And one thing, we'll have a workshop picture similar to this one here on Tuesday, 2:30. That's the beginning of the coffee break. So then we'll still remind you, but head outside. It's just in front here where the stairs are. We all line up, big smile, and we have that picture then for the website. So thanks. And if you have any questions, just I can just take a few. Thank you. And we have Chaz Weichman, is the executive director of the Exoplanet Science Institute.